Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can remove the pin that you've added on your Pinterest note. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest tab on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. Then, open the Pinterest board. After that, tap on the notes icon and select the notes from which you wanna delete the pin. Now, tap on the little cross icon above the pin you wanna remove. And that's it. This is how you can remove a pin from your Pinterest note. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.